In this video, we're going to go over the primacy and recency effects. To begin, let's talk about the serial position effect. The typical situation is you're going to have a person read off a list of words. Afterward, they're going to ask you to recall as many of the words as you can. As it turns out, the serial position effect refers to the phenomena that people are better able to recall the first few and the last few items of the list, and they aren't able to recall the items in the middle of the list very well. The serial position effect can be divided into two halves. The first half is the primacy effect, which is also called the law of primacy. This is a cognitive bias that results in an individual recalling items at the beginning of a list better than those presented later. So for example, here you can see a list of 20 random words. If you get many participants and you read this list of 20 words in the order shown on the screen, you're going to find that among the words that the participants are able to recall correctly, the most common words will include hurrying, literate, and careful. And if you look at this list, you'll notice that these are the first few words on the list. So this is a demonstration of the primacy effect. The second half of the serial position effect is the recency effect, which is also called the law of recency or recency error. This is a cognitive bias that results in an individual recalling items at the end of a list better than those presented earlier. So again, with this example of the 20 random words, in addition to purring, literate, and careful, you'll find that some of the other most common remembered words would include depressed, actually, and grown, which notably are the last few words on the list and a demonstration of the recency effect. Okay, so that is the primacy and recency effects.